did it like the direction said. It just keeps kicking back. And it broke the starter on this thing. Alright, can I just go ahead and say something? What a piece of junk.
Hey, we haven't even heard it run yet.
Exactly. Alright, dude, I got to see what the damage is. I'm guessing the paws on the starter are broken.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. They are heavy duty.
Wow.
But not heavy duty enough. We gotta take that thing apart. And it's got a spring in it. So.
Safety glasses.
Okay, yeah, she does.